Rosacea, a very common skin condition of the face. The redness, burning, pimples, blushing, maybe eye involvement. This mostly affects women in their 20s, 30s, and beyond. Now, there may be many effective treatments for rosacea: creams, pills, even lasers. But there is one missing link, one aspect of rosacea treatment that is rarely addressed, but must be addressed, or the rest of the treatment won't likely work or won't work as well. That link: sensitive skin. Yuval, Bibi, Dermatologist, reminding you that your skin is working for you. Now, if you have rosacea, you must understand that rosacea is a sensitive skin condition. Rosacea is not a hygiene problem to be fixed or solved, meaning it is not a result of dirty skin or not enough cleansing. It is a result of many factors coming together to make the skin edgy, meaning more likely to get irritated, inflamed, and reactive. Now, there are obviously genetic factors that are related to rosacea that you cannot change, so forget about it. But there is something that is completely within your control, and that is likely making matters worse for you. That thing is skincare. Most people consider skincare an essential. Skincare culture regards the skin as a hygiene project, something to be wiped down and cleansed. But what exactly are you cleansing? The answer is you're cleansing your own upper layers, otherwise known as the skin barrier. Those layers are produced and maintained by the skin to protect itself and allow it to carry on as usual. When your skin is already on edge, such as in the case of rosacea, cleansing, no matter what they call it, gentle, organic, natural, mist, enter your favorite store brand that you love and trust, it doesn't matter. All of it does the same, which is to undermine your skin barrier, making your skin more sensitive. And guess what? If your rosacea has sensitive skin, then your cleansing is making it worse. Scrubbing, exfoliation, forget about it. Besides being completely useless, as in providing no benefit to you, these practices are highly abrasive and harmful to the skin, specifically to the skin barrier. Then most skincare users use moisturizers. Not a bad idea categorically, but the choice of moisturizers matter. And most moisturizers used by skincare consumers are lotions, creams, and other water-based products. The water evaporates very quickly after application to the skin, leaving your skin to contend with all the garbage that is found in the inactive ingredient portion. All in all, not a great proposition for skin that's already on edge, is sensitive, and is likely to get inflamed. So what do? Well, first, do no harm. Do not use any detergents on your face if you have rosacea. That is a categorical recommendation. Stay away from cleansers. Do not cleanse the face as you're traditionally used to. You're not going to incur any body odor. There's no dirt accumulating on the face. It will address makeup later. Splash cool water on the face, maybe once or twice a day. Do not rub the water on your face. Again, remember, any physical abrasion to the skin can make your condition worse. If your skin is dry, itchy, stinging, red, or looking on edge in any other way, you may very well moisturize, but use an oil-based moisturizer that is nice and thick and made of very few ingredients, such as butter Oasis, butter Blossom, or petroleum jelly if you're going for the cheap seats. Just watch the amounts. Use the moisturizer as often as your face is on fire or on edge, meaning the skin barrier is not doing well and needs to be covered to allow it to recover under that protective layer. Rosacea is a sun-sensitive condition, so if you're considering spending any meaningful time out in the sun, consider covering up to protect yourself from direct sunlight to the face. Specifically, use a wide brim hat or some other cover. If you don't have one, yes, you may very well use sunblock. Consider sunblock that is made with very few ingredients, such as waxhead, which is made with 4 ingredients only: coconut oil, beeswax, zinc oxide, and cocoa powder for tinting. That is an exceptional product, which you can find at the link below. Makeup removal, no problem. But first, ditch all the rage: micellar water, makeup wipes, makeup removing solutions. Instead, use coconut oil on a cotton ball to remove the makeup by wiping it away, or use coconut oil wipes. Face is still fighting you? Consider slugging, a very generous application of an occlusive like butter Blossom or butter Oasis to the face at bedtime, covering up the entire face in an occlusive protecting layer of blanket gentility that'll help it recover overnight as it is covered in oil and protected from the environment. Consider putting a towel on your pillowcase so you don't stain your bedding, and be greeted by a nice, shiny, plump face the next morning. Otherwise, see your dermatologist for meds, but remember that taking care of the fundamentals is going to help you bring this together and supercharge your rosacea treatment. Let me know in the comments section how your rosacea treatment turned itself around using these fundamentals in the video. Also, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more No BS skincare advice. See you next time. God bless.